Good morning, good morning. Uh, Day after the Super Bowl, my throat hurts, pause. I entered off a inverse fairly gap here on an EVA. Started with a little heavy cons with 3. On my funded, I'm up 65, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10. I'm looking to reach these highs up here. I'm almost done with this EVA. I'm like, what, 2.7K away? I did a trade-off market open. I was down like 100 something. Shouldn't have taken it, honestly. Here we go, we're up 500 on this trade. I'm up 150 on my real account, on my real funded. It's moving nicely. I like what we're seeing. We want this to take out ES's buy side because I use this as confluence. Of course, you guys can see all the way up here. So the buy side. ES moves much slower. So if y'all don't know what's going on, there's a potential for value gap right here. If the candle closes above this and doesn't close in on itself, there's also an imbalance right here. So if we tap into the fair value gap in a nice rejection, we could get a potential add this position. Let's mark it out. We respect. See how we respect it? You see how we just tapped into it? Amazing. That was right as soon as the candle closed, we tapped right back into it. Now we're just holding for this to hold. We just took off, honestly. Am I complaining that I didn't get an ad? No, not really. On my eval, I might just add in one more. On my funded, I'm gonna add one more as well. The hourly candle's about to close in 3 minutes. There's an imbalance on the 1 hour time frame. It already got filled and we rejected. Let's see if we can run through it this time. It's also one all the way up top here. We're getting back to our tap. I wanted to see it. There we go. Like a 50% tap in. Hold, hold, hold. Like to see this hold. I should have got an ad right there. I'm gonna wait for a little pullback for a little ad. Here we go, here we go. And one more tap in here. So we don't rush the move. Stay, stay calm. Gonna add on both accounts. Gonna let this play out. Don't like that rejection right here. These wids are getting weak from because we have buyers coming in at this big displacement. Down 45 on my actual funded, up 110 on my eval. Not too worried. I love how we bought that candle immediately. Look at that, beautiful. See how we bounced into this fair value gap? We filled the imbalance, and we go out in the direction that we would like it to go. Now I'm up 670 on this position, 255 on my eval. My funded's up 1,200 now. That's beautiful. Prices drop as soon as the hourly candle is open. It's 10 o'clock a.m. Up 185 on my funded on this. We want to take high of day right now, but we could chase high of day over here as well. I think the London session was right before us. Or London session is still in session. I don't like how that hourly candlestick just came down. See how the hourly even closed. It closed decently. It wasn't the best. I would like if it closed like more of the 50% above the green candlestick. But it's okay. Let's see the 5 minute. It's decent as well at the 5. That's the hour. 15 minute. It just opened up, so see how it plays out. So green. If we get stopped out, I don't have my stops in place, Jesus. But if we do get stopped out or, trade goes against us, we just know the price won't be too efficient today. We entered off yet again. Yeah, let me just mark this out for you guys. We broke through the bullish trend right now, but I don't like that entirely. My stop would be breaking this right here. We're down here. We came close to it. We're back at break even on the eval. I'm down 13 ticks on the funded. We tap back into the inverse. I would like to see us run and, displace those bearish fair value gap. Let me take this off my screen. Power of 3 off. Make this look more clear. Oh, my eval's back up in green. This might be a losing trade. We win, we lose, we still post. I would still like us to see buy side bought over here before we even attempt to sell off. Go back to break even on the funded. I'd like to see us take out buy side really quick. Now we're just gonna let this play out. Only thing we could really do is not get too emotional about this trade and let it play out, because the only people that really hold us back in these moments right here is really us. So we got to see how this is gonna play out entirely. So. Waiting, waiting, waiting. We're still holding this inverse for rally gap. Stopped out of my position. It's okay. Down 385 on the day. We're gonna take one more trade. Not the worst. Down 694. We're still holding this inverse. We just tamed down, whipped it out. Now we're just gonna wait to see another position. I'm gonna stop the recording. I'm gonna start recording again when I get another position played.